how to make money with Google Maps with literally zero experience and zero investment. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make money with Google Maps with very simple steps and with literally zero experience and zero investments. So before I dive into the video, guys, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And also, if you like the video, at the end of the video, please don't forget to tap the like button too, because it's going to help me more than you think. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video to show you some cool examples and some cool methods that you can implement right after this video, and you can start making massive money depending on your preferences. So I'm going to show you right now that what you can do. Okay, and so the first thing you need to do is downloading Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to have in order to get us started with this method is downloading Google Chrome, because you can't do it with Firefox or Opera or Internet Explorer. It can only be done with Google Chrome. So after you download Google Chrome, you search for any type of business that you want. So for example, I'm going to show you an example for this video, guys. You can literally go for any business in your city or in your town, in your country, or even outside of your country. So for this purpose, I'm going to go for I'm going to go to Google, and then I search for builder Las Vegas. Okay, so builder Las Vegas. So this is a business in Las Vegas that we can actually go for, and I'm going to show you some examples that what you can do with this type of business. As I said, it can be done with any type of business, guys. It doesn't matter what it is or where it is. You just need to search for that type of job or business, and then all the results will pop up. So for example, for this term that I search right now, you see that in this section, by when you're seeing it with Google Chrome, you see there are top 3 businesses listed right here. So if I click on view all, I can see so many type of businesses in this area, and a lot of them have websites and directions and address and hours. So but what we are looking for is businesses that don't have any items like this. So for example, this one right here or this one right here have a really good optimized web page, or like optimized business, I would say, because they have the reviews, they have the website, they have this the phone numbers, the address. Everything is kind of optimized for this type of business. So we should be looking for the businesses who don't have this kind of stuff. Like for example, I'm gonna go for this one right here. Let me find one here, like this one. See, if you click on it, you see that this business doesn't have any website, they don't have any review, and which is a really huge problem for this business. So we're gonna reach out to these kind of businesses, and we ask them that we can get their business high in ranking, like in the top 3. So this is what we are gonna do. We reach out to businesses and we ask them. You can either call them or you can send them an email. I know that it's going to be a scary call. It's going to be a scary call for these kind of businesses, but if you don't want to call them, you can easily send them an email. So but you need to find their website first, because they don't have any website listed on their page. But for example, I'm going to go for this company right here. I go to their website. I'm going to show you an example. First, you need to find their website online. Let's say that we already found it, but I'm going to show you this company as an example. And then once you're here, you go to contact us section. So you go to contact us section, and what you can do is that you can fill out the form and you can contact them that you're a digital marketer and you're interested in helping them to get their business high in ranking, because it's going to be very important for these kind of businesses. If someone search for Builder Las Vegas, these people are going to pop up on the top 3, and most customers are going to trust the reviews and the rankings. So you find their websites first. You go to their website, you click on contact us, you fill out the form, and then you just let them know that who you are and how you want to help them. So if you don't want to fill out this form, I think, oh yeah, they have their email address here. You just can copy it and then send an email to them. That's it. If you don't want to call them, this is the easiest way. But if you couldn't find your website like this one, because they don't have a website, you can easily give them a call. So, but how can you help them? How can you get their business very, very high in rankings? It's super easy, guys. I'm going to show you how to do that. The only thing you need to do, guys, is hop on Google and search for how to claim Google businesses. That's it. And there are only 5 steps that you can implement, and you can easily claim their business, because as you can see, this business doesn't have any owner, because they don't have any information but their address and their phone number. You can easily click on own this business right here, and you just do a few a few steps right here, and then you can claim their business. But I personally recommend to search for how to claim Google businesses. Just read the steps carefully, and after that go back to their page and claim their business. You can click on manage now, and you go through some steps, and you'll be the business owner. That's the cool part. So after that, you'll be able to edit their business. You'll be able to do whatever you want with their business, because you'll become the owner of this business after you claim it, because nobody has claimed it yet. You are that person. So we are looking for these kind of businesses that are not claimed. So after that, or you can go to, so if you want to spend a little bit of money, so I know it's a free tutorial, but if you're willing to spend a little bit of money, you can go to fiverr.com and you search for claim Google businesses. And there are so many people who can do that for you. So if you search for claim Google businesses, you see that this person do it for $26. It's a Canadian dollar. He does it for $26. This guy do it for $40. This guy is going to do it for $7 for you. So you spend somewhere like between $20 to $30, and you can easily claim that business. If you don't want to do that yourself, these people can help you with that. And after that, you claim their business and you edit it based on the checklist that I'm gonna go over right now. So I'm gonna put the link below this video. You can download the checklist for 100% free of charge, and you can follow the steps, and after that you can implement what I've shown right now. So so these are the important factors to get a business ranking higher in a business section. First, claim Google My Business, that I showed you how you can do that. You either do that yourself, or you pay someone to do that for you. So business address. So business address is very important, guys. So let's see whether this business has an address. Yes, this business has an address, which is a good part. If they didn't, you can claim it and you can add an address. You can do whatever you want. And business hours. So business hours, yes, they have hours too. It's 24 hours. And more reviews. Reviews are very, very important, guys. This business doesn't have a single review, so it's very, very important, guys. You can after you reach out to the owner of this business, you can ask them to reach out their previous to their customers or their previous customers, and they can ask those customers to leave a review for them, or they can keep advertising to their clients to leave review for them. So because you let them know that they don't have any review, and they let their clients know that they need to leave some review in order to help their business to rank higher on Google. I hope it makes sense. So it's very easy, and it's very, very important at the same time. So after the reviews, it's select property and secondary categories, which can be done after you claim the business. I can't show you right now because I haven't claimed it yet. Write a complete my business description, very very important too. So for this one there's a section for the description, but because I haven't claimed this business, I can't show you the section. After you claim it, there's going to be so many sections that you can fill out, like the description, the website, the reviews. You can manage the reviews, you can reply to reviews, which is a very important part, and you can add hours, websites, everything. So, and these are very 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 important. Add photos of business that's been done before to profile. So you can, ask the owner to send you some photos from outside or inside, and you can put them on their business webpage after you claim their business. So you can do all this kind of stuff, guys, because that business owner probably doesn't have any idea that how things work, and they're willing to give you any information that you're looking for if they accept to work with you. So it's gonna be amazing, guys. You can charge them, like if you want to pay someone to claim the business for you on Fiverr for 10 bucks, for 20 bucks, you can charge the owner of the business like 200 bucks, 300 bucks. So it's gonna be 150, it's gonna be $200 to $300 in profits. So even if you don't want to do anything yourself, you pay a very very minimum amount, and then you charge that the business owner like way higher, like $200, $300. Totally depends on you, but this is how things work, where you can do that all on yourself. So after that, after adding photos and videos as SEO citations, which is super super important, guys. SEO citations is a very important factor that can help business to get higher in rankings. So I already showed you the example for Builder Las Vegas, that if you search for it, you see that only 3 businesses pop up on Google page, and you want that business to be one of them. So and that's why you want to help that business, to help them to be high in rankings. And this is where SEO citations come. So for SEO citations, again, you can go to Fiverr and you can search for SEO citations. You can search for SEO citations. Again, there are tons of people who do that for you. So for example, this is a Spanish citation, local Spanish citation. This one is 500 Google Map citations for local SEO, which is huge, guys, for only $5. And this one here, top 350 USA local SEO citations. So as I said, so Las Vegas is in US. So we're gonna go for the USA one. So if you click on this guy, and then you scroll down, you see that what this guy needs, and then after that you're gonna ask the business owner to give you all the information. So this guy needs business name, address, phone number, business email, website, business description, category, logo, keywords, and that's it. There are 9 items that this guy needs from you in order to help you to add citations to your business. And this is all you need to tell the business owner to give you, and then you give it to this person. This is called drop servicing. It's a very very good way to make money, guys, and you can charge the business owner monthly in order to keep them in top 3, and they are willing to do that if they're really serious about their business. You can easily charge them monthly, but for this guy you only pay him $5. Not monthly, it's only $5, but if you pay him $5 every single month and you charge the business owner like $400, $300, it's going to be $295 in profit. This is how crazy it is, because as I said, the business owner probably doesn't have any idea that how things work, and if they're super serious about their business, they're willing to spend this amount of money because they need businesses. So this is what you can do, guys, in order to attract more people and help them to get their business up in ranking. But as I said, not every business is eligible for that. You need to find the businesses which are not claimed yet, and you claim it as an owner. So this is what you can do, guys. But there's one more way, one extra way that you can make more money from these businesses, guys. So let's say that this business doesn't have if I show you again. So let's say this business doesn't have any website. So what you can do, you can create them a website by drop servicing, guys. So if they don't have a website, that's even better. It's a good problem for us that you can, again, go to Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr, let's say, and you search for create website, and you see that again there are tons of people who can create a website for you for literally 65 bucks, 65 bucks, 120 bucks, 200 bucks, 65 bucks, which is a very, very low amount if you don't want to do it yourself. And you can charge that owner like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, because some of them like literally spend that money. And you go on Fiverr or Upwork.com and you search for create website, you spend 70 bucks, 80 bucks, you got the website done. And that's how we can do that. Or let's say that the business has already got the website, but their website is super slow, because so many of these websites are super slow, guys. You don't have any idea that how long I was waiting to for these websites to load up, and they are super slow, and some of them are really old websites. So for example, if I want to show you an example for a modern website, so for example this one, let's see that how modern it is. Let's see, this website is not modern at all. So it's a very, very old looking website, and you can easily reach out to these people and tell them that, hey dude, your website is super slow and it's super old. If you want to attract more customers, it's a very important factor that you have a very, very good looking website. Let me help you with that. So, and they probably accept it. Why not? Because as you can see, I think this website is for like 10 years ago. But for example, this website right here, it's a very, very good looking and modern website that you can easily clone and implement it on that, like on the previous website that I showed you, on the old website. See, this is a very, very modern website. It's very good looking. They are using good pictures and everything is really good. So this is another way that you can make even more money by like checking around the websites, whether they are old or new, or whether they are slow or fast, because they are very, very important, and they're going to help the businesses to rank even higher. Because if they have a website and the website is fast, that's even better, because it gives Google a very, very good signal that this business is a legitimate business and they are serious about their business. They have a very fast website, they have reviews, they have hours, they have address, phone number, everything is optimized. And as I said, these two factors are very, very important, and don't forget to follow this list. I'm gonna put a link below this description, guys. Don't forget to check it out, and the websites and the reviews. So very, very important, guys. But in my opinion, if you want to claim the business yourself, you go ahead and do it yourself. But SEO Citations, if you give it to someone else for $5, that's even better, because they can do 500 SEO citations for you, which is amazing. So that's how you can do that, guys. It's very, very easy. I hope you found this video helpful. But if you want to know more about this kind of stuff, please drop a comment below this video and let me know that what the next video should be. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing, which is my main profession, and all my videos are about affiliate marketing, guys, I gather around the course from A to Z that teach you how to do affiliate marketing in a proper way. And I just want to let you know that I put a huge discount on my course for a very, very limited time. Go check it out yourself, guys, and please let me know what you think about it. And if you like the video, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button. It's gonna help me so much. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you later.